Okay, now this check on learning that y'all did yesterday, this is something I used to do all the time, especially with Algebra 2. I did it with my analytical class. And it's a great thing, especially coming back after a weekend where it looks like a quiz, but it's not really a quiz. It's really just, it gives me some feedback. Um, Now, it's set up kind of like the homework was the other day, from solving absolute value equations. I didn't put any qualities on there. I didn't think y'all needed that. So right here, you have 0 to attempts, things like that. All right, a couple of things. This little sidebar right here, you can actually flag this for review. I don't know if that means for me or for you, but you can flag it if you need to. There's a calculator, notepad, and you can go full screen. Now, hopefully, when you saw this, and because I kind of thought about it this way, there is no way for me to give you anything on here and know that you're not going to cheat. I mean, honestly, I probably would have do it myself. Okay, especially if I was getting stuck. But I can test the concepts of what you are supposed to do, and that can help out a little bit more. All right. So it says state the order that you would use to solve this problem right here. And you have three choices. You could have grabbed one and moved it up and down, and things of that nature. So the actual answer to this is you would distribute 3 to y just like this. Now, it's only asking you the steps. It's not asking you to solve it. And I kind of like problems like that because I ask people concepts like this instead of like a couple of different things. And then you would have subtract 3 from both sides. Okay. And then you would have had to divide by 3. All right. So this is kind of the order that it should be. And I haven't looked at the results yet. This is the Friday before. So there's no way for me to know how y'all did on this right now. All right. So this is kind of the same thing. In what order would you do this? Hopefully you read this very well. Okay. Again, kind of similar. And if we look here, here's the actual answer. You subtract 2x from both sides. We can do that. You end up getting 2x minus 6 equals 8. Then I'd have to add 6 to both sides. This looks rough. Sorry about that. Add 6 to both sides. 14. And then it says divide by 6. So I guess I must have had that set up wrong. So you're actually going to divide by 2. Okay. So if you were to miss that one, or you did, my bad. It's like a typo. Never counted off for typos. All right. Now, this is a true concept thing. And when solving an absolute value equation, there are two problems to solve. This is true. That's what you should have chose. All right. Now, this is actually solving this problem. So you just subtract 4x. Negative 5x is greater than negative 2. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. Now, when you divide by a negative, remember you flip the inequality sign, or you flip the alligator head. Okay, so you should have chose this right here. All right. Now, again, concept thing. When solving this problem, you would set it up as this and this. All right. This one is false, and this is why. You would set it up like this. You would have one problem that looks like this. Okay. And then you'd have another one that looks like this right here. 2x minus 5 is greater than negative 9. Okay. Not only this negative, a lot of people will flip the sign, but they'll forget to put the negative right there. So that could have been why somebody might have got that wrong. Okay. So make sure that you do the negative right there. And that's kind of it. So hopefully, minus my typo, and I'll take care of that. And that's kind of why I'm having the student help sessions, the WebEx sessions later this week as you need. So y'all can go from there.